The eHill 2021 workshop took place this week. It was filled with talks, workshops and Turkish music. Ellie and I hosted a workshop on starting a YouTube channel for librarians. We asked our participants for whom they would like to make content. Many said they would like to make instructional videos for students and researchers, or for nurses and doctors if they worked in a hospital. The vibe of the videos should be informal and relaxed for students and a bit more formal for senior researchers. Librarians could provide tutorials, for instance, on how to search the literature, or they could promote their services. But of course, making videos takes time and we are already very busy. In our workshop, we tried to show the basics and what you need to get started. I showed all my equipment and explained what you really need and what you don't need. This green screen, for instance, is a fun but not a necessary tool. I also talked about how to structure a video. Ellie, what have you learned from our workshop?
Hello. From the workshop, I learnt that there are many different topics that medical librarians can create videos about, not just about tutorials for readers, but they could also talk about, what we do in a day, do's and don'ts, how we dealt with different situations. I learnt about the different technology that you need, so a phone is okay, and a laptop, we don't need anything else, and that there are programs for free that we can learn how to use, like Shotcut for the post-production. And I learnt that you can have fun doing this and make it a really fun part of your job, to promote different parts of your services and different parts of your personality to the wider world. So thank you!
On the next day, I visited 2 other workshops. In the first one, we compared our search strategies for systematic reviews. In the second one, we discussed whether alternative metrics could help to decrease research waste. Well, it was nice to see so many familiar faces, even if only online. Next year's conference will take place in Rotterdam, and we are looking forward to meeting there in person again.